Hello, Kevin here. In this video, we're going to discuss solutions. Solutions are the component of our application where we glue everything together. We've created all the basic building blocks we need to be able to build an IoT application, and the solution is a spot to be able to configure those and put those together so we can go out and deploy them to the cloud or to your IoT edge device. Click on Studio, click on Make, click on Solutions, and then we'll click on Add. First, we'll give it a name, and in this case, we're going to call it Motion and Temperature Solution, Mot and Temp. We need to be able to select the planner that we created in our previous video, and remember, the planner is the thing that looks at the incoming messages and determines which message is being sent and which device sent that. I can go in and add a description if I want. I'm not going to do that now. We can also go in and add some versions. So let's say that we create different versions of it with different sets of functionality. We can save those over time and deploy those to different instances of your application that are running out there. We'll go add a listener. In this case, we're listening on port 80 for messages coming in. And then finally, we can go in and add a device configuration. The one that we've created in our case is a very simple motion detector. In addition, we can create some settings out there that will be available to be able to use in scripts and other parts of the system. We don't really need that, so I'm going to press save, and we've created our first solution.